we dey work and stress too much, I want to surprise our crew members on Destiny Etiko's production.
Oh, thank you so much.
This for my director.
There for a reason.
Thank you, director. You like it? You know the soup now.
Now you have been
our special nsala soup.
Yes, so yes.
Our special nsala soup.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
This one is, if you chop this one,
okay, go apple.
They don't bring your mouth.
My country people, the way this DEWU DEWU girl and Destiny Etiko they go now, I just pray make their relationship and friendship last. Normally Destiny Etiko na good person, just that her good heart no dey attract good people like her to her. I don't know whether not to call am nature, cause some people they get good heart, but when it comes to having good people around them, they know they go luck at all. I don't know if to call them nature or I don't understand, but I pray that Evans Okoro and Destiny Etiko friendship last. Seriously, I pray they last. Destiny na one kind person where you go see am with this friend today, next thing the friend go just betray am. Like sometimes I go just dey pity am. I say this girl deserves good people. This girl has a very good heart. Like her heart is very large. She's very selfless, you know. She no dey selfish. She's the type that can go all out to make a friend happy. Like if she gets something and a friend asks, she's willing to give out to that person. But returning same energy to her, she know they get luck at all. I pray that this their friendship last. I be my people waiting on I think. Because from the way things they go, I think Destiny Etiko is destined to be a one-woman's mopo. This is no because or something. Like some people, like I said, are generally like that. Your destiny is for you to be on your own. No matter how hard you try to get good people around you, no matter how hard you try to be friends with others, you will never see any good person around you. You'll be a good person, you know, very selfless. You'll be praying for friends that will be like you. But because your destiny says otherwise, you will find yourself in midst of betrayers, those that will backstab you, you know, stuff like that. Anyway, I wish her luck and I pray that God in his infinite mercy will bring a very good person at least to be around her for once, because I too like Destiny Etiko. Seriously, I like her. I love all her movies. I'm a big fan of her. And Evans Okoro, on the other hand, is a very good girl. Like you cannot even watch Evans Okoro without laughing. She's very, very selfless, just like Destiny Etiko. She look out for others. If Baba God should put hand, believe me, their friendship will last. Yes, it will last very well because two of them are very selfless. Because when two selfless people meet, you know how's the thing gonna be. I mean, my people waiting on I think. Drop your opinion for comment section. Do you think Destiny Etiko and Evans Okoro will make a good friend? Drop it for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more Wenge news. With the Totori body, you see your one and only I'm a girl Cindy. Oh yeah, now bye.